Hi everyone, today in this video we will make a sentence with these preposition words. So let's begin. In, the toy is in the box. On, the book is on the table. Under, the cat is under the chair. Near, the park is near my house. Behind, the dog is behind the tree. The ball is between the shoes. Over, the plane is flying over the house. With, I go to school with my sister. For, this gift is for you. At, I will meet you at the market. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay connected.